How does life insurance work? The basic principles of life insurance are quite simple. First, the policyholder and insurance company sign an agreement that lays out the terms of the policy. The agreement will specify certain details like what type of life insurance policy is being provided, the total policy coverage value, the life insurance rate or premium, and, if applicable, the term length, the duration of the policy. The policyholder then begins paying the insurance company a regular premium, continuing to do so either until the life insurance policy expires or the policyholder's death. If the policy is still in effect when the policyholder dies, the insurance company pays out the benefits specified according to the policy terms. If the policyholder is still alive when the policy expires, the insurance company does not pay out any benefit. Remember that there are several types of life insurance. Each type of life insurance has its own advantages, and none is inherently better than the others. Which type of life insurance is most suitable for you will depend on your own circumstances and preferences, so explore all the options before committing to one type of policy. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.